back to our plenary part of the lesson. Okay, we're going to take a look at what you've discovered. Okay, so first of all, who can think of any generalisations that you can make and state about these shapes? Remember using our sentence stems. I'm just going to get those to remind us. Our working wall. So you could be using, I noticed that. I decided to because, or first I tried, I already know that, so when I looked at, I noticed that this didn't work, so I know this is true because this reminds me of, I noticed a connection between, well, I wondered why. Okay, so any of those can be helping us when we're doing our reasoning and problem solving. Okay, what did you find? Yeah,
I noticed that all of the irregular shapes have a larger perimeter.
Okay, so first of all, let's identify which of those shapes you would class as irregular.
B.
So shape B,
C.
C,
D.
D,
E.
E,
And H.
and H. Okay, so those ones have you've been calculating that those are a larger perimeter. Interesting, thank you. What other things can you say? Yes.
I noticed that they all are the same rectangle, but they just have this. They just have squares that are missing bar one.
Okay, so a bit like in our starter, the first part of our lesson, where one person noticed there was a bit missing. You've noticed that from the other shapes too. Okay, well observed. Yeah.
I noticed that the shapes bar one has a certain amount of squares missing from the area of the first shape.
Okay, so from that very first shape, so almost like that one is the original one, then the other pieces have got some taken out. So which is the one you say bar one?
G.
G, of course, which is very much a square, isn't it? Okay. Moving on to some of our other questions. Did anybody investigate any of these other questions? Yes?
On A, can you draw a shape in which the area is equal to its perimeter? I came up with 6 by 3, which the perimeter and the area are both 18.
So 6 by 3.
And 4 by 4, which gives me a perimeter of 16 and an area of 16 squares.
Okay, so these then would have the same perimeter and the same area. Excellent, well done, well investigated. Yeah?
And then I did B, so they said try and find a perimeter, well, double your perimeter to equal the area. I found 6 12s, which equals 72 centimetres squared. And then the perimeter was 36 centimetres.
Yeah.
And the area was 72 centimetres squared.
Okay, so definitely there then, that will be double. Excellent. So I hope at home that you've all had a go at this wonderful investigation, and then you've made some statements that you could quantify and back up and convince us that you are right. I hope you've had fun with this investigation. Thank you.